What up, players? It's your boy Jewett coming home from freaking work in a snowstorm. As you might be able to tell by the windows and shit around my truck, there's every bit of a... I'm looking at my tailgate back there. Y'all can't see it. On top of my fucking tailgate, there's at least a half a foot of snow. They sent us all home at work, and it usually takes me about 53 minutes to get home. It's probably going to take 2.5 hours, give or take. I don't have to take any interstates or things like that, but I do have to take a freaking sketchy ass back road. And there is a legitimate funeral session happening right now. Oh wow. I just saw the hearse with its blinkers on, and yeah, craziness. It is bad out here, guys. Anyway, I will update everybody when I get home, should I have service and or internet. I would also like to say that the incident that occurred with me was more or less just aggravating and inconvenient. Meanwhile, on the interstate in the county that I work in, there was a 50-car pileup. So the purpose of this video was to show that this can absolutely happen to anybody, and it can also be a lot worse. So give your thoughts and prayers to these people and their families. Thank you.